Hello viewers, welcome to the Marex special feature. Today, the 2nd of October 2020, the Director General of Shipping will flag off Cadet Samar Raj on an expedition to Mount Friendship Peak. A combination of grit, guts and perseverance is needed to take up the sport of mountain climbing. And Merchant Navy Cadet Samar Raj has these qualities in abundance, like every Merchant Navy cadet and officer should. Let's have a quick chat with Samar to know him better. Welcome Samar. Tell us what inspired you to take up mountain climbing.
Sir, I am inspired by the first Apache woman of the world, Arunima Sinha. I read her story and saw her videos. She lost her leg during an accident in train. After that, when she was in the hospital, she decided to climb the Mount Everest, and she did it. So I thought, if she can, why can't I?
So what are the important features of this climb to Mount Friendship Peak?
Really, Friendship Peak is located in pre-Panjal range with the height of 5289 meters. These sites offer an extensive view of some snowy peaks, namely Friendship. Friendship Pass Trek is a popular trekking sport in Himachal, fairly accessible location.
Samar, where are you from originally and where did you do your pre-sea training?
Sir, I belong to Chhabra district, which is located in Bihar. I completed my pre-sea training from Haldia Institute of Maritime Study and Research, Haldia, West Bengal.
Tell us of your previous achievements and awards in mountain climbing.
I got opportunity to join the mountaineering when I was in the pre-sea training. In 2018, I went to Johar Institute of Mountaineering for my basic courses. And in 2019, I went for advanced courses. In both of courses, I received A grade marks, and after that, I climbed various peaks like BC Roy Peak, Temple Top, and recently I climbed the Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest continental peak of Africa. And if you talk about the award, I received the Human Icon Award in Bihar, High Range of Book of World Record for my Mount Kilimanjaro climbing, and recently I participated in promoting the mountains of India, and I got opportunity to be a part of it, and I received the certificate of participation for it.
Thank you Samar and all the best. Friendship Peak is situated in Byas Kund area of the Pir Panjal range at an altitude of 5,289 meters above sea level, near Manali in Himachal Pradesh in India. Today we have the Honorable Director General of Shipping of India, Shri Amitabh Kumar, IRS, who has very kindly consented to flag off Cadet Samar Raj on this expedition to Mount Friendship Peak. I now invite Shri Amitabh Kumar to do the honors. Thank you so much, sir. May I request you to say a few words?
Seafarers are known for overcoming tough challenges at sea in their day-to-day work. COVID-19 has thrown fresh challenges at the seafarers, and they have overcome this challenge also to the best of their capability. Samar Raj is a seafarer by profession, but a mountaineering enthusiast. He has climbed several peaks around the world, including Mount Kilimanjaro, which is more than 19,000 feet. He wanted to climb another mountain in the month of May, but COVID-19 prevented him from doing so. He has now decided to climb Mount Friendship Peak, which is 17,348 feet high. He is used to challenges both at sea and at peaks. We wish him all the best. I am sure his endeavor, his success will motivate more and more seafarers to do impossible tasks and bring glory and laurels to the Indian seafaring community.
Thank you so much, sir, for your charity and kindness in taking time out of your busy schedule to bless this young lad on his way to conquering Mount Friendship. I now invite our many patrons to say a few words of encouragement and bless this expedition.
All the best, Samar Raj, for this great initiative of climbing up the Friendship Peak at Himachal Pradesh. Certainly, it's been a great initiative, and we wish you good luck from entire HMD family and the entire seafaring community. God bless. Thank you.
On behalf of the National Union of Seafarers of India, NUSI, it gives me great pleasure to congratulate and compliment and support Samar Raj in his expedition in Himachal Pradesh. He will be scaling new heights, and this he is dedicating to all ranks of seafarers who are with their passion and commitment keeping the sky, keeping the waters, keeping our seas alive. The skies have stopped, the roads are blocked, but it is only the seas which is alive. And we compliment Samar Raj in highlighting this issue. Samar Raj, when I hear the name Samar Raj, it reminds me of Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan was called Raj in nearly 7 films. So I would say that our Raj, that is Samar Raj, will scale the 7 peaks, the 7 summits of the world, one of which Kilimanjaro, which he has already done so. And we wish him all the best, and I'm sure one day he will keep he will scale all the 7 summits of the world. दरिया पे तो राज करेगा, आसमानों की बुलंदी पर भी समर राज करेगा. All the best, Samar. Take care, and we hope that you complete the expedition with lot of safety, and we see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Sunav Group is proud to be associated with the endeavour of Cadet Samar Raj and wish him the best of luck for the expedition. Seafarers are clearly frontline workers of the shipping enterprise, but they remain disconnected from the society at large, and this is evident from the lack of availability of shore leave and repatriation to these key workers all over the globe. In our view, every venture that highlights shipping and especially the issues of the seafarers to the wider community is worth its weight in gold. Samar's effort will highlight the need of the hour, which is to create a great working environment for our colleagues at sea, and we are immensely proud to sponsor this event, which ties into our own business value to provide care for colleagues. Wishing Samar the best of luck once again.
Hi Samar Raj. Yes, from all of us at Seaspan, wishing you the very best for the Friendship Peak climb. I think it's a great initiative that you have taken from your side, and we appreciate that as a gesture for all the essential workers on the ships. Be safe, all the best, take care.
नमस्कार. आज जहां कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक में पूरा देश, पूरा विश्व जूझ रहा है जिस बीमारी से, उस घड़ी में भी आज हमारा नाविक, आज हमारा सीमैन, आज हमारा ऑफिसर 24/7 पूरे देश में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के माध्यम से जो सामान पहुंचाने, ले जाने, ले आने का जो काम निरंतर कर रहा है वो सराहनीय है। ऐसे समय में जहां सीमैन अपने परिवार को छोड़ के जहाज पे लगातार लोगों की सेवा करने में जुटा हुआ है, उसको किसी भी प्रकार से उसकी अनदेखी नहीं की जा सकती। और ऐसे बीच में लोगों के बीच इनका जो सबमिशन है, जो इनका कंट्रीब्यूशन है टुवर्ड्स नेशन, टुवर्ड्स ग्लोबल, टुवर्ड्स शिपिंग, उसको प्रमोट करने के लिए हम उनके बीच का एक भाई, उनका अपना एक भाई समर राज जो डेक कैडेट है, और इस समय वो एक जो फ्रेंडशिप पीक हिमाचल में क्लाइंब करने की जो उन्होंने पहल की है, और ये उन्होंने जो सीफेयर्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए जो पहल की है, उसको फॉरवर्ड सेविंग्स यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया पूरी तरह से सपोर्ट करती है, और इसके लिए उनको ढेर सारी बधाई देती है और बहुत सारे गुड विशेस के साथ में। जय हिंद, जय नाम।
My sincere thanks to the Director General of Shipping, Shri Amitabh Kumar, for his most significant participation in this flag off ceremony. My equally sincere thank you to our patrons, without whose support this expedition would not have seen the light of day. Thank you to my colleagues at Marex who have so diligently put this event together. Wishing the very best to Cadet Samar Raj. Have a very pleasant day. Bye-bye.